Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily video series. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. So there is always a debate on when it comes to investing between private banks and PSUs. Well, private banks, if you look at the recent rally, right, where markets have hit around 14,151 levels, most of the private banks have seen a huge recovery by nearly more 10% or more than 10%. So I would say it depends banking to banking. So ICICI we have seen somewhere around 530, 35 levels back to 600. Even Axis have seen a huge recovery, reclaiming 700 levels. Kotak Bank below 1700, back to 1760, 1770. So we have seen bankings coming back strongly into the private side. What about PSUs? Should you invest in PSUs? Well, I won't say yes. From a trading per se, from an investment per se, yes, PSUs offer a better risk reward at current point of time. So first chart I want to show over here is PSU Bank Index weekly chart. So if you look at the screen, three things over here. First, the 2013-2016 lows somewhere around 1908 and 1894, which is around 1900 sub levels. Since though that was broken, we have seen a huge downside coming into the PSU's index, and now when it has broken those resistance levels, which will now turn to be a support. If you look at that red line, so that line will now act as a major support. So if you look at the markets from 15,400 levels onto the Nifty back to the retracements, we have seen retracements in PSU as well. And if you look at from the highs back retesting around 1900 levels, is a crucial support zone. And we have seen this week a slight recovery coming last week. If you look at the candlesticks, those who are following candlesticks, it's a doji candlesticks, and doji forming, basically they are reversal in nature, and it's very much important where they form. So they forming right at the crucial support level, or I would say demand zone, and prices are reacting onto the reversals, and so there is a big sign for me as a reversal structure. Plus, again, RSI, if you look at back to demand zone on the weekly scale, we are at around 30-35 zone, which is again being an oversold territory. I believe that whenever it's a 40 or 35 levels on the RSI, prices at support, a crucial support, I think it's a good bet to look from a risk reward point. To look at the outperformance over the Nifty, we have done a ratio chart over here. So what we have done is we have divided Nifty PSU index price with Nifty price. So if you look at the structure over here, it broke out at the rising trend line, it retested those levels. Now it is slow and steady recovering and moving towards the northwards trajectory. So we believe that yes, a breakout, a retest on the ratio chart, plus a breakout and retest on the weekly of PSU index, even that is at 50 days average, 50 weekly average, again giving a crucial sign of a good support zone at for me. So I would definitely look for PSU over here. So well, you might be thinking, then why, if banking looks good, why not private bank? Yes, as I said, it's always a debate between looking for private and versus PSUs. So you can think that yes, privates offer a better returns, but here I am more focusing on better risk reward over here. So PSU as of now offers a better risk reward than private, because they are up by around nearly 10% from the lows. It depends on stock to stock what you are looking at. But yes, on the PSU side, I would stay on the likes of SBI, Bob, PNB, where with the returns which I'm expecting, these stocks on the large cap offer better margin of safety as well. So stick on to those PSUs on the larger side, like SBI, Bob, or PNB, or any stuffs where you find better margin of safety on the stock. And definitely, I believe that next 3 to 6 months we might see a huge rally coming into the PSUs bank. Signing off. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters, Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.